Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the app is installed and you're signed in. Open Google Calendar on your iPad and tap Sign In. Once signed in, make sure sync is enabled in iPad settings under Accounts so events stay current across devices. If the app asks for permissions, grant calendar and notifications so reminders arrive. When done, tap the plus button to create a test event. This confirms sync and permissions are working before you continue to advanced setup. Now you'll create and refine events. Tap the plus icon, enter a clear title and select start and end times, then add a location or conferencing link. Make sure to choose the correct calendar from the top so color coding and notifications follow your workflow. You can add guests and set notification times. For repeating commitments, use the repeat menu and pick a rule. Once comfortable, swipe or pinch to change view between day, week, and schedule to see how entries display. Finish by reviewing notifications and visibility. Open the side menu, toggle calendars on or off, and set default event durations in settings to match your habits. Once done, test by creating an event and verifying it appears on other devices. If something's wrong, first ensure the iPad is online and account sync is enabled. If events are missing, force quit and relaunch the app or toggle the Google account off and back on in iPad settings. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.